Alright, so here is the new spool valve, vtec solenoid. There would be the part number for it, and I got this off of eBay. I think total with shipping and all that, 78 bucks or something like that. And it already comes with a new gasket. And it's really easy to take off, just 3 10mm bolts. And it's right back here. You just gotta pull the 2 plugs out. There's that green one and gray one. You pull those plugs out and then take those bolts out on the back. More than likely, you're gonna get a little bit of oil that's gonna leak down from there. We're just gonna get a rag, wipe it. And then we're gonna make sure this is also slightly oiled up when we place it. So that was easy. That took like 3 minutes to get done. Here's the old one. And even though this was a new gasket I had, as you guys can see, right there, it does start to flatten out. So you just want to replace it. It's a cheap gasket. If you're doing any work, whether you're taking it off just to clean it, replace that gasket. Super easy, super cheap, even if you have to wait a couple days for shipping. Well worth it. Alrighty, so back to getting a little tune in. Touching it up, we're having a little bit of issues at some of the RPMs, so we'll go out for another little cruise and hopefully get that all fine-tuned today. Alright, pulled over for another little upload. Killer day today, absolutely beautiful. Right next to the cemetery, getting it uploaded, and yeah, hit a couple more rippers. Alright, so I ain't fucking winning with this car. Flipping exhaust came loose right on the V-band. So I'm gonna let this thing cool off. And actually this gives me a good reason to pull the exhaust, the downpipe off, because look at that, all my heat flipping paint, the ceramic paint, all peeled off, just looks like shit. So I can take that off, sand that back down, wrap it. We'll pull the headers off, the turbo, everything. Retorque those. I don't know why they backed out, but I'm gonna go ahead and retorque those. Well, anyways, we're doing a tune, driving, did several pulls. There was a boost cut issue, which he fixed, and pretty much I was about to, we uploaded the tune, and then I was about to run through first through fifth again to check, make sure there's no more boost cut. And I was like, what the hell? The AFRs on idle were like 19, 20, and I was like, damn. So right away I was like, well, let me check the exhaust. Come out here and look at that. I mean, that's pretty bad. You're gonna be losing a lot of your exhaust, sucking in oxygen, and just getting really horrible readings. So yeah, this thing is pretty roasting hot right now. I will not be touching it. So I'll let it cool off and get back to it. I just gotta do a walk around of your car.
It's so dirty.
Last time you guys seen this thing
It's so dirty.
was when I blew my motor. But she's on E now. She's making like 600 something. Got some meaty old tires on it. Look at that. Backfired.
This thing's fucking nuts, dude.
This sounds mean. Damn. I forgot how grippy this thing was, dude.
Well, it's even more grippier with these tires now.
All right. Damn, those backfires.